कंप्यूटर एमसीक्यूज के हवाले से पार्ट नंबर 7 है। इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे सामने, IBM 1401 is dash question mark. Its answer is option B, second generation computer. Next question. Chief component of first generation computer was, and its answer is option B, vacuum tubes and valves. Next question. Second generation computers were developed during dash question mark. Its answer is option B, 1956 to 1965. Next question. The computer size was very large in. Its answer is option A, first generation. Next question. Microprocessor as switching devices are dash generation computers. Its answer is option D, fourth generation. Next question. Which of the following devices can be used to directly image printed text? Its answer is option A, OCR. Next question. The output quality of a printer is measured by. Its answer is option A, dot per inch. Next question. In analog computer dash question mark, its answer is option B, input is never converted to digital form. Next question. In latest generation computers, the instructions are executed dash question mark. Its answer is option C, both sequentially and parallel. Option C is correct here. Next question. Who designed the first electronics computer ENIAC? Its answer is option C, J. Presper Eckert and John W. Macaulay. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।